Hey everyone, welcome back to Financial Rooster Hack, your go-to place for tips on earning money online. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular and flexible ways to make an income, freelancing. Whether you're looking to make some extra cash on the side or want to go full-time, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to kickstart your freelancing career in 2024. And by the end of this video, you'll have the tools and strategies to start earning money. So, let's get into it. Before we dive into the how, let's talk about what freelancing is. Simply put, freelancing is offering your skills or services to clients on a project or contract basis. You're not tied down to one employer. You can have multiple clients and work from anywhere with an internet connection. Common freelancing jobs include graphic design, writing and content creation, web development, virtual assistance marketing and social media management, video editing, and so much more. If you have a skill, there's a good chance someone is willing to pay you for it. The first step to becoming a freelancer is identifying what you can offer. Ask yourself, what are you good at? What skills do you already have that businesses or individuals might need? Here are a few questions to help you out. Do you have technical skills like coding or web development? Are you a good communicator or writer? Are you creative with a knack for design or video editing? Do you have organizational skills and love helping others stay on track? Take some time to write down your strengths and think about how they can be turned into services you can offer as a freelancer. Once you've identified your skill set, it's time to find where to sell it. There are tons of freelancing platforms that connect clients with freelancers. Let me share a few of the most popular ones. Upwork, great for beginners and seasoned freelancers alike. You can apply for jobs or get invited to them. Fiverr, perfect for offering specific gigs at set prices. Freelancer.com, similar to Upwork, it has a wide variety of jobs. TopTal, best for top-tier professionals, especially in tech and design. LinkedIn, don't forget LinkedIn. You can find freelance opportunities by networking and showcasing your skills. When you're starting, it's a good idea to sign up on one or two platforms and really focus on building your profile and reputation. We've also created a video that covers the top 20 platforms for freelancers to find clients. You can find the link in the description below. Your profile is like your online resume. It's what potential clients see before they hire you, so you need to make sure it stands out. Here's what your freelancing profile should include. Professional profile picture. Keep it friendly but professional. Headline. Describe what you do in a sentence. Make it specific and appealing. Overview. Tell clients about your skills, experience, and how you can help them. Focus on what they need, not just what you want. Portfolio. Showcase examples of your past work. Even if you're just starting, you can create sample projects. Remember, first impressions matter. Make it count. One of the biggest challenges for new freelancers is deciding how much to charge. It's tempting to price low, but remember, you need to value your time and skills. A good strategy when starting out is to research the market rates. See what other freelancers in your field are charging. Start competitively. While you don't want to undervalue yourself, starting with slightly lower rates can help you land your first few clients. Raise rates as you gain experience. Once you've built a solid portfolio and earned good reviews, gradually increase your rates. The key here is getting your first client. Once you do, ask for feedback, deliver excellent work, and build from there. Your reputation will grow, and so will your earnings. Okay, now for the part everyone's been waiting for, how to land clients. Here are my top tips. Number 1, send personalized proposals. Don't just copy-paste the same thing for every job. Tailor each proposal to the client's needs. Show that you've read their job post carefully. Number 2, follow up. If you don't hear back right away, it's okay to follow up politely after a few days. Number 3, start with smaller projects. Build trust by taking on small, manageable tasks. Then use those experiences and reviews to land bigger projects. Number 4, network. Reach out to people in your industry. Connect on LinkedIn, and don't be afraid to ask for referrals from happy clients. Word of mouth can be powerful in freelancing. Freelancing isn't just about getting clients, it's about managing your business. Here's what you need to do. Time management. Use tools like Trello or Asana to organize your tasks. Invoicing. Platforms like PayPal or FreshBooks can help you easily send invoices to clients. Building client relationships. Communication is key. Always be clear about timelines and expectations. As your freelancing business grows, these management skills will keep you on track and stress-free. Once you've got a few clients and projects under your belt, it's time to think about scaling up. This could mean specializing, focusing on a niche where you can become an expert, raising your rates. As you build a strong reputation, you can charge higher fees. Outsourcing. If you're swamped with work, consider outsourcing tasks to other freelancers. Remember, freelancing is a journey. You'll learn and grow as you go, so don't be afraid to take risks and explore new opportunities. And there you have it. That's how you can start making money online as a freelancer in 2024. It's all about taking that first step, whether it's creating a profile, sending your first proposal, or landing your first client. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos on how to succeed online. If you've got any questions or tips for other freelancers, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.